Ladies and gentlemen, and a very warm welcome to ET Legal World ADR Virtual Conclave, themed around the future of dispute resolution. Over the 3 crore cases are pending across the Supreme Court, High Courts, and subordinate courts, including district courts in India. The existing judicial system finds it difficult to cope with the ever-increasing litigation burden. The complicated scenario calls for the alternative dispute resolution ADR mechanism to step in and facilitate dispute settlement outside the courtroom. The passing of the Arbitration and Conciliation Amendment Act 2019 and the New Delhi International Arbitration Center Act 2019 takes India towards being a major international arbitration hub. The Arbitration Council of India is also expected to come into effect soon. Undoubtedly, the stone has been set right, but still much needs to be done. The main aim of this conclave is to bring together India's leading legal luminaries to deliberate on emerging trends, new frontiers, and legal avenues for dispute resolution and share insights into the trends, which are likely to shape the legal world in the coming years. It's worth mentioning that this conclave is a collaborative effort, supported by an ecosystem of partners, and I would like to take this opportunity to extend our heartfelt thanks to supporting partner, Singh & Associates, industry partner, ICADR, and initiative by etlegal.com. To help put everything into context, I invite Amit Kumar Gupta, Business Head, The Economic Times, for a welcome note. Over to you, Amit.
Thank you, Annie. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to ADR Virtual Conclave. I know these are busy times for everyone on home and work front. So thank you for joining us today. The system of dispensing justice in India has come under great stress, and we all know how many pending cases are there in the courts and is constantly increasing. I mean, this was even before Corona was on the horizon. Currently, in last few weeks of COVID-19 outbreak, existing dispute resolution proceedings have really suffered, much like business. Hearings have been delayed or relocated. As the economy is now taking first steps towards reopening, and we look ahead to post-COVID-19 world, many companies are grappling with various defaults or breaches of contract they've experienced during the crisis. Force majeure is the word we keep hearing about, right? I was checking out the Google Trends, Google keyword searches, and people in India are searching this word 20 times more now than they were doing before COVID. So from existing 3 crore cases with no proceedings in last few weeks, combined with various breaches of contracts, we are seeing a very complicated scenario. And this scenario probably calls for today's session and the event on alternative dispute resolution, where the mechanism can step in and facilitate these dispute settlements outside the courtroom. There should be no doubt that the ADR complemented with technology may be the new normal during and post COVID-19. During today's day-long online event, the discussion will revolve around the future prospects of mediation, third-party funding mechanisms, future of international arbitration, and virtual court hearings. We will get to hear in-depth strategies from the experts and understand how technology and innovations are transforming and going to change this legal landscape probably in times to come. This is brought to you by Economic Times B2B division, where our aim is to provide a knowledge platform for companies, CEOs, policymakers, and various stakeholders to come together and go deeper within the function or a sector and deliberate on the key challenges, trends, opportunities, etc. ET B2B has close to 15 portals like ET Auto, ET Telecom, where more than 5 million people visit us every month. This is apart from 50 million which goes to economictimes.com. We will be soon launching ET Legal as separate portal as well, so that we are able to serve the legal community better. So without further ado, I welcome you again to today's conclave. Please feel free to participate and engage with the speakers and panelists. Thank you. Welcome.